Hello, everyone, and welcome to your real-life shopping English lesson. I'm Alex, and today we're going to practice the most useful English sentences for shopping in real situations. You'll hear each sentence clearly. I'll explain what it means, and then you'll repeat after me. This is the best way to build your confidence and sound natural when you shop in English. Ready? Let's get started. Let's begin with the supermarket. Imagine you walk into a big store and you need to find something. Here's a great question to use. Excuse me, where can I find the bread? This means you're asking someone to show you where the bread is. Now, repeat after me. Excuse me, where can I find the bread? Next, maybe you want to know if something is cheaper today. You can ask, is this on special offer? This means you want to know if there's a discount or sale. Repeat after me. Is this on special offer? If you want to know the price of fruit or vegetables, you can say, how much are the bananas per kilo? This is asking for the price by weight. Now, you repeat, how much are the bananas per kilo? When you're ready to pay, you might ask, can I pay with my card? This means you want to use your debit or credit card, not cash. Repeat after me. Can I pay with my card? If you want to buy more than one item, you can say, I'll take 3 of these, please. This tells the shop assistant you want 3. Now, you repeat, I'll take 3 of these, please. After you pay, you might need proof of your purchase. You can ask, could I have a receipt, please? This is polite and useful. Repeat after me. Could I have a receipt, please? If you have a special diet, you might ask, do you have any vegan options? This means you want food with no animal products. Now, you repeat, do you have any vegan options? And if you find a problem, like broken eggs, you can say, excuse me, these eggs are cracked. This lets the staff know there's an issue. Repeat after me. Excuse me, these eggs are cracked. Great job! These are some of the most useful sentences for the supermarket. Let's keep going and make shopping in English easy and fun. Now, let's imagine you're shopping for clothes. Maybe you see a shirt or a dress you like, but you're not sure if it fits. Here's a helpful question to use. Can I try this on? This means you want to use the fitting room to see if the clothes are the right size. Repeat after me. Can I try this on? If you can't find the fitting room, you can ask, where are the changing rooms? This is a polite way to ask for directions inside the store. Now you repeat, where are the changing rooms? Sometimes you find something you like, but it's not your size. You can say, do you have this in a small? Or you can change the size. Do you have this in a large? This helps you get the perfect fit. Repeat after me. Do you have this in a small? If you try something on and it's too big, you can say, "This is too big for me." This lets the shop assistant know you need a smaller size. Now you repeat, "This is too big for me." Maybe you like the style, but you want a different color. You can say, "I'd like the blue one, please." This tells the assistant your color choice. Repeat after me. "I'd like the blue one, please." If you're looking for a good deal, you can ask, "Is there a discount on this?" This is a great way to find out if you can save some money. Now you repeat, "Is there a discount on this?" Before you buy, you might want to know the store's rules. You can ask, "What's your return policy?" This means you want to know if you can bring the item back later. Repeat after me. What's your return policy? If you try on shoes and they feel uncomfortable, you can say, "These shoes are too tight for me." This helps the staff find a better size for you. Now you repeat, "These shoes are too tight for me." And if you're just looking and not ready to buy, you can say, "I'm just browsing, thank you." This is a polite way to let the staff know you're not ready to make a purchase. Repeat after me. "I'm just browsing, thank you." Fantastic! You're getting better and better at shopping in English. Let's keep practicing and make sure you feel confident in every store. Now, let's imagine you're shopping for electronics, like a phone or a laptop. If you need help, you can say, "Could you help me with this device?" This is a polite way to ask for assistance. Repeat after me. "Could you help me with this device?" If you want to know about product protection, you can ask, "Does this include a warranty?" A warranty means the store will help fix or replace the item if there's a problem. Now you repeat, "Does this include a warranty?" If you're curious about how long a device will last, you can say, "How long does the battery last?" This is useful for phones, laptops, or any electronic item. Repeat after me. How long does the battery last? If you want the newest version, you can ask, "Is this the latest model?" This helps you find the most up-to-date product. Now you repeat, "Is this the latest model?" If you're worried about returns, you can say, "Can I return it if it doesn't work?" This is important if you want to feel safe about your purchase. Repeat after me. "Can I return it if it doesn't work?" Now, let's go to the pharmacy. If you need medicine, you can ask, "Do you have anything for a cold?" This is a simple way to ask for help with your symptoms. Repeat after me. "Do you have anything for a cold?" If you want to know if you need a prescription, you can say, "Is this medicine over the counter?" This means you want to know if you can buy it without a doctor's note. Repeat after me. "Is this medicine over the counter?" If you want to know how to use the medicine, you can ask, "How often should I take this?" This helps you use your medicine safely. Now you repeat, "How often should I take this?" Let's visit a market or small shop. If you want a better price, you can say, "Can you give me a discount?" This is a friendly way to ask for a lower price. Repeat after me. Can you give me a discount? If you want to know where something is from, you can ask, "Where is this made?" This helps you learn about the product's origin. Now, you repeat, "Where is this made?" You're doing amazing! These sentences will help you in so many real-life shopping situations. Let's keep going and practice even more. Now, let's talk about shopping online. If you want to know when your order will arrive, you can ask, "How long does delivery take?" This helps you plan for when you'll get your package. Repeat after me. How long does delivery take? If you want to save money on shipping, you can ask, "Is shipping free?" This means you want to know if you have to pay extra for delivery. Now you repeat, "Is shipping free?" If you want to check your order, you can say, "Can I track my order?" This lets you follow your package online. Repeat after me. Can I track my order? If you have a problem, you can say, "I haven't received my order yet." This is useful if your package is late. Now you repeat, "I haven't received my order yet." If you want to return something, you can ask, "Can I return this if it doesn't fit?" This is important for clothes or shoes. Repeat after me. Can I return this if it doesn't fit? Now, let's visit a cafe or coffee shop. If you want to see what's available, you can say, "Could I see the menu, please?" This is a polite way to ask for the list of food and drinks. Repeat after me. Could I see the menu, please? If you want a suggestion, you can ask, "What do you recommend?" This helps you try something new. Now you repeat, "What do you recommend?" If you want to take your drink with you, you can say, "Can I get this to go?" This means you want your order for takeaway. Repeat after me. Can I get this to go? If you want to pay, you can ask, "Do you take card or cash?" This helps you know how to pay. Now you repeat, "Do you take card or cash?" Finally, let's talk about travel. If you need a train ticket, you can ask, "Where can I buy a ticket?" This is useful at a station. Repeat after me. Where can I buy a ticket? If you want to know the price, you can say, "How much is a ticket to the city center?" Now you repeat, "How much is a ticket to the city center?" You did it! You've practiced real English for shopping, eating out, and traveling. Remember, the more you repeat and use these sentences, the more confident you'll feel. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and soon you'll be ready for any real-life situation. Thanks for learning with me. See you next time.